Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to create passive income without investing a single dollar. If you're still struggling to make money online or you are just a beginner at making money, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. No matter how much you get paid for at your 9 to 5 jobs, you won't be happy. This kind of work stinks. You can't always make your boss happy. If you can find a way to make passive income that at least pays your rent or other living costs, you will feel better. It gives you a stable income no matter how much you make at your 9 to 5 job. If you want to be financially stable, it's always a good idea to have 2 or more passive income streams in addition to a 12-hour job. If you want to be financially stable, it's always a good idea to have 2 or more passive income streams in addition to a 12-hour job. There is a difference between having a lot of assets and being financially stable. Even though we have a 6-figure income and pay a mortgage every month, we still pay our credit card bills. A man with more passive income streams and less income from a job is always happy and in good health. This is better than a man with a 6-figure income who sometimes needs to take blood pressure medicine. Start making things that people will want to read or watch. From morning to night, everyone is taking in information. In America, the average person uses data for about 8 hours a day. The content industry is experiencing a boom at the moment. On the internet, everyone is consuming. You have established the market. Try to make something. For example, make videos for YouTube. Start to teach online. Start writing articles for social media and learn how to advertise for money. Learn affiliate marketing as well. There are many things to do outside, so pick one and get to work. Always remember the compounding effect. You will thank me in the end. Invest in stock markets. When you have passive income, you can use it to pay your bills or buy stocks. In both ways, it helps. I put 20% of my passive income into the tools I use to make content, 50% into something I want, and the remaining 30% into stocks. Investing money from a job makes you less stressed than investing money from a side gig. It makes money without any risk. We will never be happy with what we make, but if we start a passive income stream, we can enjoy life and buy ourselves time and peace. It helps you grow as a person and as a business person. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.